Okay, guys. So I've just created a quick loom for you and a quick workflow for you to show you exactly how you can use the API. Obviously, you can go to the developers.co-high level and grab the whatever API you want. For now, I am using the create uh, contact update API. For example, you can click on post and you can grab see all the information here. It's quite clear and pretty easy to understand. All the information is here. So what I'm doing is that I am only getting the post, which means to create a contact, rather than put, which means to update the contact. So the post alone will do the both job. Now if the contact is not available, it will create the contact. If the contact is already there, it will update the contact, right? If you provide the email. So how it can be done, so let me show you. I mean, I have built a quick workaround in the Pabbly. uh, this is the main step, obviously the API, and you will use the post method, and you will use this endpoint which is provided you by Gohighlevel, and payload type is JSON, and then authorization, I will reset it. So now the first name, last name, email, and phone, these are the fields which you have to pass to create a contact. Now remember that you have to set it as a parameter rather than header, right? Set it as a parameter rather than header. So uh, these things I have passed it from the webhook caption from the top. So for example, I will replace it again. First name captured through webhook, and last name captured through webhook, and email captured through webhook, phone captured through. So you can use as many fields as you want, again, by taking guide from here. So now I'm using for test, I'm using this postman to send out webhook. So now I am creating a email which does not exist actually inside high level yet. So what I will do, I will you do my email plus 007 gmail.com. Now this email does not exist yet. So as soon as I send the test, it will trigger this workflow, and if you go to the history, it will show me. So here it is, it just ran. Let me show you why it partially failed. Give me a second. uh, Responses from available is app is shown, the email must be a valid email. Oh yes. It is valid verifying email. That's interesting. Okay, so instead of maybe Hal has updated the API settings. Okay, now instead of that, I will use the correct email. I will use my other email and send. Now let me refresh and let me see what is the history of this. So now it is successful. Now you see that if I go to the history, it created the contact first. So okay, let me go again to history. So the webhook received, and it created the as my email. Now the first name, last name it put is this Suleiman Daud 2, right? And it it is showing that contact is created by contact ID. Now note that contact ID is ending with RS. I will copy that to make sure that the same contact is updated, to show you that the contact will be updated if the same email is provided. So now what I'm doing instead of Suleiman Daud 2 as my name, what I will do is that I will provide uh, alias band whatever. So now using the same email, and now if I send, let's see what happens now. Let's see if the contact ID is same, because now it should update instead of create, because the email already exists. Now if I go see, now the first name is Alice and the last name is Ben, and contact is same, the email is same. So this is really simple, and that's how you can use API in the Pabbly. Hope it helps. Thank you.